Remote viewing blue energetic towers and star bridge technologies. The blue energetic towers are connected with Arcturian star frequency technologies that act as anchor points for planetary alignment. Star bridge or space elevators that collect blue energetic fields of plasma supply to teleport people to other planetary systems or dimensions. And as I was doing this remote viewing, I felt a strong connection to Atlantean technologies. Just this AOL of connection to Atlantis and ancient energetic frequencies. That was the feeling I was getting. The blue energy towers exist in the between realities of the 5D, 6D worlds that help to anchor and stabilize the 3D planetary systems. Everything living is interconnected between dimensional points of existence, so energy can be transferred between the different dimensional worlds, whether 5D or 3D, so the blue energy towers can send upgrading energies to 3D environments to create better frequencies of evolving beings and planetary systems. These blue towers have origin points going back to Atlantis, where these types of towers were connected to natural fields of energy gathering, tapping into zero point to provide unlimited power sources to buildings and generate plasma and crystalline sources of energetic vibration to power crafts flying on the planets and in space above planetary orbits. So these blue towers are gathering energy and storing it. They're tapping into zero point to provide unlimited power sources to buildings, generating plasma and crystalline sources of the energetic vibration to power crafts and other things on planets. And this is not using standard electricity. This is that zero point. You're going into the zero point frequency to gather energy and store it in a more organic way with biofeedback that works. So you're not wasting energy, but you're storing energy to use in an unlimited capacity. Blue fields of the towers are like source codes for tapping into universal libraries of various planetary systems and recording histories of the individual planets where the towers are stationed, as well as gathering data on the universe and how it came into existence and continues to grow and expand in order to build other universes. Universe building, AOL. Ascension vibration that pulses from the towers, so this upgrades human DNA codes, and the DNA strands start to evolve faster to encode into the crystalline bodies that humanoid beings should be in now. Embody who you are meant to be. We all have the memories and frequencies of how to do it, AOL. The blue energy towers are communication beacons for quantum frequency exchanges of sending packets of information and messages between advanced galactic civilizations. The information and messages can be sent anywhere in the present time frame, as well as to the past and the future, so that beings who need to receive the information or data will get it in a timely manner to know what they are supposed to do in order to save their worlds and evolve as they should be, advancing in both consciousness and the physical bodies, receiving soul codes and frequency alignment upgrades as they are needed, AOL. These towers tap into any ley lines on a planet and create a cosmic grid system of natural energy power sources without disturbing the planet's ecosystems or destroying the planetary core, equal balance of existence between energetic technology and natural surroundings for whatever exists on the planets where the towers are located, AOL. 0-point energy from the blue towers flows up and down through the star bridge that is built within the towers, so there are unlimited sources of energy that can be stored and used at any time within the energy towers. And I felt that this is very organic technology, crystalline, safe, and very unlimited in what it can do. And it creates and provides clean energy. So it is very, very consciously made. The towers are long in height and have the discs at the top to make it easy to create energy flow going up and down and store energy as a clean power source. So it's built in a precise manner that is very geometric in how it works. And it can be stored at any time for the energy and then retrieved and used. These blue energy towers monitor and gather information about the planets that they are built on, so that the towers are configured correctly to be in balance with the planetary energies, and the energy that they collect is always replenished, since it comes from the 0-point sources. It comes from the ether or the aether of the environment, and that has unlimited energy to work with. And it's not wasting energy, and it's not taking away too much energy. It's doing it wisely, so everything is used in accordance for what is needed to have a beautiful flow of clean power. These blue energy towers, and again, they monitor and gather information about the planets that they are built on, so that the towers are configured correctly to be in balance. The planetary energies and the energy that they collect is always replenished, since again it comes from the 0-point sources, that ether I was talking about. So everything is done in alignment. And the towers are just gathering information about the planets to keep everything in balance. They're not spying on anyone or anything. The point of the towers is just to be in alignment and balance with the planet itself, how the energy is gathered and stored. That's why it's monitoring the planet. The purpose for the blue fields in the towers also acts as a crystalline and plasmatic shielding mechanism to make planets and whatever is built on the planet's surface be invisible to any scanning technology that attempts to figure out what is located on the planet or pinpoint where a cloaked planet exists. The blue fields pulsing from the energy towers act as natural cloaking shields, preventing advanced scanning technologies from detecting the cloaked planets. So this is what these blue towers look like. Blue energy field towers that had been built by the Arcturian source field technologies during the time of Atlantis and other points in planetary futures. It's beautiful technology. And this is a closer look at what these towers look like, with that Arcturian ancient language on them and the fields, purple, blue fields from the towers, energy going up and down equally in a balanced way. The blue towers have plasmatic and crystalline frequencies that are gathered within the towers from collecting energy from 0-point sources within the planetary environment. It's not taking too much, it's replenished, it's all natural and organic. These towers are placed on planets in order to be able to provide cloaking and shielding resources for the planet as well. The towers act as natural sources of unlimited energy production systems, providing power as 0-point energy to planets And it's evolving beings, so everyone has natural energy wherever they live on the planet or planets where these blue energy towers are built for that precise purpose. And that's the plasmatic energy from them, how the energy flows up and down. It has blue colors, purple colors, and it looks like crystalline technology. And this is what this remote viewing is all about. Thank you so much.